Banten sung thu ik ba sapang sin jam belasim dak sarkar kami banyo ke India ka bakoi ka basuba ka jalama ka liya hanne ka sngi kelas nok ti lang ka jing pelai pai ba ka clean India campaign ne ka sngi ban stang ka jimpun ko ya kisnong kari India hi bro ko we ya ka te ka clean India campaign la permana kaleng kari India kumsi banta ka jarki ata di kaleng ko si kha ka shispa san pho jong Mahatma Gandhi da ka thong man pulong ke India kari ka bakham ko hapo arja ka thandai ha ka te ke je lang ka long habaran pulo ulat ka jala dr ke pol ula simru ya jipan sma ya baro ki ru pai ba bikin sim ya jingkit clear ban pai ban mai inti habaro kisnong gi thau kilinti kisingkien ki saudong sakun makin sedang no wan rai ka jingku jingsuba katuk ani kintien belasat nak kata jimpas mai ba ki kentuk baro kindong song snong kinnos nyang kloi mensim omdunai ka sispa kanta ka sitnam ni ar kanta ka sitio ha ka jing persang bon rai ka jing khu jing suba ha kisnong gi thau katba ka wei pat ka jing ka ong baro kindong song snong kin sedang so ban pun ko ya la ka tingkong yeng nak ka dong ka snong bat ka chka tre ha ka te ka si la don lang ru ki menteri kinong mi khmat pai ba bat ru ki he sarkar nolor ki pai ba bat ki kunhun ki batrei nak banta wan rai ka khu ka suba bat khamtam e ki khana school.
To him, cleanliness was only next to godliness. It is well known that he used to clean the entire ashram all by himself every day. In the next 5 years, it will be time for the 150th birth anniversary of Gandhiji. Let us clean up the country, as mentioned by the Prime Minister in the Independence Day speech. A beginning has to be made from our own immediate surroundings and the place we live in and the city we live in. And now I would administer this cleanliness pledge. Cleanliness pledge. Mahatma Gandhi dreamt of an India which not only has political freedom but is also a clean and developed nation. Mahatma Gandhi broke the clutches of slavery and won independence for Mother India. Now it is our foremost duty to serve our country by keeping it neat and clean. I take this pledge that I will remain vigilant towards cleanliness and devote time for this. I will devote 100 hours of voluntary service for cleanliness every year. That is at least 2 hours a week to achieve this goal.
I will devote 100 hours of voluntary service for cleanliness every year. That is at least 2 hours a week to achieve this goal.
I will neither litter nor let others litter.
I will neither litter nor let others litter.
I will start cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my village and my workplace.
I will start cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my village and my workplace.
I understand that those nations which look neat and clean do so because their citizens neither litter nor let others litter.
I understand that those nations which look neat and clean do so because their citizens neither litter nor let others litter.
With this belief, I will work for Swachh Bharat mission in villages and towns.
With this belief, I will work for Swachh Bharat mission in villages and towns.
I will encourage 100 other citizens to take the pledge which I am taking today.
I will encourage 100 other citizens to take the pledge which I am taking today.
I will endeavour to make these citizens devote 100 hours for cleanliness.
I will endeavour to make these citizens devote 100 hours for cleanliness.
I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness will help in making our country clean.
I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness will help in making our country clean.
Thank you.
To be followed by Shining Star Gun by N.S. John Delight. Next is Borlin War by Nikita Joshi.
Hagni kasi dan ru kisnong ki penlong ki jum kisnong kentup kum kamau khar sa sun lumoba nong krempat kiwe
Ya kata lakon.
Kum kadak jing sukti lang hakate ka Clean India campaign kisipai border security force ru kila pelong ki chipun khoi ela ki jong ki tembak ki chakasa hakate ka ju asngi haum pling